When do you use a branded URL and when do you use a personalized link? Hi, my name is Chris Adams and I'm the Digital Adoption Manager here at iFOLIO, and I'm here to tell you about two of our awesome features and when to use them: custom URLs and personalized links. iFOLIO is an all-in-one integrated digital marketing platform that gives our users the ability to quickly customize and share highly visual customer experiences. The one I'll show today is landing pages that are easy to edit and share. First, build your interactive landing page. These portfolios integrate all sorts of content and optimize for mobile automatically. One huge benefit is how easy they are to customize and instantly update even after the page was shared, so your customers get the latest and greatest content whenever they visit. This helps to make your job easier and reduces the need to send message after message every time there's an update. The custom URL versus personalized link all comes down to branding and your advertising goals. Do you just need a link that has your organization's name in it, or do you want to have it totally branded for your company like another website asset? Either option works with Google AdWords. iFOLIO also allows for versatile link options depending on how you want your audience to engage with these landing pages. Users can easily personalize them with a friendly link, or they can also use a custom URL to direct viewers to the iFOLIO while also reinforcing branding. Either option works well with Google's algorithm, meaning your company is guaranteed to get the most out of your SEO or PPC campaigns to boost web presence. Multiple links are also great for deep local branding, where you may have ads point to a specific page for a specific location. If you'd like to know more about how iFOLIO can help your team get the digital edge, get in touch with us at ifoliocore.com or scan the QR code here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all again soon.